Aloha everybody, this is Dave Wallace coming to you from Waihua, Hawaii, and it's feedback time for the Powerball lottery, which was just drawn today, the 29th of September, 2021. At the beginning of the day, the lottery jackpot sat at 570 million for the 30-year annuity and 410.1 million for the cash value. Interesting draw today, very low numbers. In fact, these numbers reflect more like the Fantasy 5. Okay, the numbers that were drawn were 2, 7, 11, 17, 32, and 11. Of these numbers, I was able to hit 2 with the grid and 1 using my pictures. So 3 total hits, and we did have one-offs for the rest of the numbers. Okay, and number 2 hit on the first set as a Powerball, so it was out of order. Then the first set we have number 10 up here, which is a one-off, and here we have 8, which is a one-off here, and 32 hit on the last ticket right there. Okay, as far as the numbers are concerned, 2 and 7 are returning numbers. These were numbers that had disappeared for a while and just returning, while 11, 17, and 32 were repeating numbers. And the location of these numbers, you're talking about the 3 remaining numbers, that 11, 32, and 17 were drawn between 9 and 16 games ago. Okay, so, and these numbers appeared only once in the last 20 draws. All right, so that's how the numbers played out. So we're moving away from the large numbers and coming back into the smaller numbers. In fact, 2 and 7 is part of the tiny numbers, and while 11 and 17 are part of the small numbers. Okay, so that's where the numbers are falling. Now, going to my sketch, I had several one-offs here. Okay, number 2 is a shoe, and number 7 is a dice. And this is a misread for this. If you take a look at the way I draw Michael Jordan and the way I draw the dice, there's some mix-up going on over there. Okay, and so that's 7. 11 is a UH logo. 17 was a correct read right here. Interesting thing is that after I had gotten the numbers 51, 53, and 60, I went back and really started looking at what I was seeing. And the image that kept on coming is this thing that comes across a flat surface that falls down. And that's a tassel right here. So that's why I put 17 right here. Okay, so 17 is a graduation cap, and making that change, I got the hit. Okay, and then the final the final number, the largest number drawn today, was 32. Again, that's a misread from a turtle shell. If I just turn it on the side, then I'll get the football. Okay, again, that's a misread. And number 11 for the Powerball is a one-off for number 12 right here. So pretty good showing. If you take a look at ticket D, I was able to get several numbers together. What always interests me are numbers that kind of like flip-flop, they transpose themselves. 32 is actually 23 backwards. So I always take a look at these numbers. So this number set right here, D, was the best performing from my pictures, and I need to take a look at these things. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna be resting tomorrow, and then actually tomorrow is Thursday, so I'll be resting, and then on Friday I'll be creating another set for the Powerball on Saturday. Okay, and hope you folks had fun, and good luck on your next draws. And this is Dave Wallace from Waihawa, Hawaii, saying aloha.